Meaning of Euston Station.
Euston Station.
Euston Station.
Euston Station.
Euston Station. Euston Station is a major railway station located in central London, England. It serves as a hub for trains to and from destinations throughout the United Kingdom, including Birmingham, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, and Edinburgh. The station was opened in 1837 and is named after the nearby Euston Square, which was named after the family of Henry Fitzroy, the Duke of Grafton. Euston Station has undergone several renovations and expansions over the years, and currently serves as an important transportation hub for both commuters and travelers.